So the question was, the probability that a fish caught in Goodfish Lake is a bass is 29%. Predict how many bass will be caught in the fishing derby at Goodfish Lake if 500 fish are caught. So who can share their answer with us and how they got it?
Okay, so what we did was, since there were 29 fish caught, we multiplied both of them by 5 to get 500, because and then we got 500, and yeah.
So there were 29 fish caught?
Yeah, 29% bass.
29% bass, right. So then how did you get 29 over 100?
We converted that to a fraction, like.
Okay, so you converted the percentage
Yeah,
to
and
a
then to
fraction?
get from 100 to 500, we had to multiply it by 5. 100 times multiplied by 5, so which gave us 500, and we did the same thing to the top.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
Awesome. So then you got 145.
Yeah.
What did you do down here?
Over here, Mike, you can come and explain. We multiplied the decimal by 500 and gave the same answer, but.
Okay. How did you get that decimal?
We turned the percent into a decimal and we multiplied it by 500 because that's the total amount of the fish that were caught. And then we got 145 over 500.
Yeah.
Okay, so you found the answer in 2 different ways. And what's this down here? How did you get that?
That's the ratio for the amount of bass to the other kinds of fish.
Okay, sure. So for every 145 bass, there were 355 other fish. Okay.
So first we predicted that there were 145 fishes that were bass. So then we did cross multiplication over here, and then we did this and we got 145 fishes, and our prediction was right. And after, to find another way we did was that 500 times 29 divided by 100, 145.
Okay. Did you do that with a calculator?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also that this is our ratio. Our ratio is right here, 145 to 355. So this is how many bass are in the fish, how many fishes are bass and which are not.
Okay.
And this is our fraction, 145 over 500. And our decimal is 200 and 0.290 if we do it at 1,000. And if we do it at 500, 0.29.
Okay, so the probability, this is another way of saying 29%, right? You could say the probability of catching a bass is 0.29. Thank you.
The way we did it is, so we know that 29% is always is always at 100, so it'd be 29 over 100, and then we turn that into a decimal, so 0.29. So then we did 500, so like the total fish that are caught, and we multiplied that by 0.29 to find out how much 29% is equal to, and we got 145, and we did this by calculator, and then that 145 is equal to 29% of the fish, so 29% of the fish were bass.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.